Shark vacuum just keeps spinning in circles. That's it. Going around circles. So I believe the wheel is bad. So I've purchased a new wheel so I can replace it. And this should fix that problem. And by the way, this is the right wheel. So when I look at this wheel, you can see right there. Look at, see that? I keep spinning this and it just keeps going in circle. And also you can see the little crack. So this wheel totally separated from that pin there, and actually you can see it's broken off. So I don't know. This looks pretty fragile and crappy. I mean, I don't know how they made it so that the wheel can actually do that. So I'll be replacing it. Hopefully this fixes my issue. Okay, so to replace this, need to remove all of these screws right here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 in there, and 5. So appear to be 5 screws. So I'm gonna pull them out. Make sure you have a hex that actually goes and reaches all the way down in there. See? Reaches all the way in there. So I'm gonna pull them out and continue. So pull out the 5 screws, and also you have to disconnect this cable right here by just pulling it out. So I got the new one in there. Plug the cable back same way. Now I'm gonna put in the hole and then put all the screws back. And right after this, we're gonna test it. Okay, wheel has been replaced. Looks good. By the way, this is a wheel I got off eBay, so it's very cheap. And vacuum's back on the floor. Let's try cleaning. Whoa. Okay, no longer going in circles. Now it's kind of trying to figure out where it's at, but we appear to be good. I was not able to get this vacuum to go back and forth cleaning the way it's cleaning right now. So if you're having the same problem, just replace whatever wheel's broken, replace it, and you should be good.